Alright guys, we're going to show you the colored box drill. So you do some one touches and then the guy that's not going, the passer, he's going to say like red 1, yellow 2, red 2, and then you take your touch around and you find it back. So we'll show a quick example really quick. So if Joey does a couple one touches and I say yellow 2, he's going to one touch it, drop back, take his touch around, and then find me. And then we're right back into it, alright? So we do 8 reps, 3 sets each. Now we're going to show you guys it actually live.
Yellow 1. Yep. Good. Yellow 2.
Yep.
Good. Yellow 2. Good. Red 1. Gas.
Yeah, red 2.
Good. Yes, Paul.
Yeah. Red 1.
Yeah.
Nice.
Red 2.
Yep.
Good. Nice.